guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I have got 3 collections for you guys. These are all throwback bestseller collections. I've been meaning to reformat a lot of things and bring them back. I get a lot of emails, a lot of DMs about them. So these are 3 of the most requested. So I wanted to go ahead, get them put into the new format, which I want to do with a lot of the things that were in the shop so that we kind of have more kits, if that makes sense, especially more that can kind of go with multiple seasons. We have one here that is very like spring, summer, but the other 2 could totally be used whenever. Also, this week is the Facebook group coupon. That coupon does also go out in the newsletter, so if you're subscribed to the newsletter, you'll get it there. If you're not in the group, you can sign or you can join the group. There's a link down below if that's something you are interested in. These will be 25% off throughout the weekend, and that does include everything else in the shop as well. I always try to do at least, well, I always try to do 1 code a month, 1 discount a month for the Facebook group. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna get started with the top kit. So this one is called Lunar, and this is a kit that I am like completely obsessed with. So I really wanted to bring it back. And I may need to turn my lights down a little bit, maybe not. I think it might look okay. So here are your full boxes. I love the colors in this kit. I love the rose gold foiling against all these dark blues and purples. I don't know, maybe I should, let me turn the lights down just a little bit. Okay, that might help, it might not. It is dark outside, it is also thunderstorming if you guys hear that. So we've got some really beautiful foiling throughout this kit. This is one that I've been meaning to bring back for quite a while and just hadn't got around to it. So I decided that I wanted to do just 1 big release, or well, 3 kits. 3 kits is a decently big release for our shop. We normally do 2, but I guess we do 3 somewhat often. So I wanted to bring back quite a few of the best sellers all at once, and I thought, what a better time than when we've got a code for the group and the newsletter. So that is your full box sheet. Your next sheet here has got your boxes. You've got some appointment labels, some fun kind of deco boxes, as well as some functional deco at the bottom. And then you have got your bow checklist over here. Yeah, this lighting is not the best. I'm sorry, you guys. I feel like I say that every video. Oh, anyway, so here is your 3rd sheet. You have got your headers, you've got your tracker over on the left, you've got a 3-bow checklist, 2 of the 2-bow checklist, some more boxes, and then you've got your wash sheet down at the bottom. Before I forget, there is also the option to add on an ombre heart checklist box to these kits. There's also the option to add on icons or scripts. There's just a drop-down menu on the website. Also, if you are seeing this video, these are up and that coupon code will have already gone out. I'm gonna wait to make this video live until Friday morning just because I don't want to send a newsletter out this late. It's currently 9 p.m. so. And then here is your last page. So look at this bottom washi. Oh, I wish the lighting was just a little bit better so that you could see the details in this a little bit better. But we've got that, you've got your bow washi, you have got your date covers, 2 weekly trackers, or 2 daily trackers, I'm sorry, and then you've got your other row of headers down at the bottom. So that is what the kit format looks like, and that was the Lunar collection. I'm also gonna have to press these to be able to take photos. They've been pressing for a minute and for some reason it did nothing. So next up we have got the Sweet collection. This is one of my favorites, although the next kit is definitely one of my all-time, but I do really love this kit. So this is gold foil and this is a photo kit. You guys can see you've got a lot of foiled fruit on here. You've got the foiled bow on the dress. There's another bow above these shoes. Quote box that says life is sweet with some cherries. You've got this lemon and then this little lemon up top. I love this kit and I think it's so fun for summer and I adore the colors. Let's flip over to the colors. Very bright. For this one, I did put in some backgrounds in the boxes. I kind of just pick and choose which kits I do that for. I really liked how it looked on this one though, so I wanted to go ahead and do that. So you've got your boxes as well as your functional deco checklist, and then your next sheet here. Let me move these out of the way. has got your headers, then you've got your tracker, boxes, you've got some washi down at the bottom. Same thing with the washi. I will either do solid or I'll go in and I'll do some patterns. For this, I wanted to do a few of the patterns. I don't like it to take away from anything in the kit, if that makes sense. Like, I want you to be able to layer things over it if you want, and it not be such a busy strip of washi that you kind of couldn't do that. So. And then your last page here has got your bottom washi, and then you've got date covers, headers, and then trackers. Again, the lighting, it's not the best to see this. Let me try one other thing to see about this lighting. Is that better? I feel like that's a little bit better. So you've just kind of got the fruit, slices, there's some blueberries in there, little strawberry, cherries, just super cute. So that is your bottom washi. And then the last kit, which again, this is one of my all-time favorites. This kit is called Serene. This is holographic foil, and I just love this, love the colors. It's so soft and pretty. So you've got the foiling within the florals here. You've got some confetti foiling down the side, some bow confetti foiling, and then you do have the kind of like vines coming up out of here. This floral, the leaf, and then some more of that confetti up top here. I just love this kit. So I definitely wanted to bring this back. There's certain things that I like to keep in the shop, like certain kits, and this is one that I always kind of try to have, but it's not been there for a minute, so I definitely wanted to take time to bring this one back. So your next sheet here, you've got your boxes. Look at these colors with that hollow. I just love that so much. I know my lighting still is not doing what I want it to do, but I love these so much with this. So you've got your functional down at the bottom, your checklist, and then your next sheet has got your headers, your tracker, you've got 3 bow checklists, 2 of the 2 bow checklists, some boxes, and then your washi down at the bottom. And then your last sheet here, you've got your bottom washi. Look at that shine. Oh, love it so much. And then you've got your date covers, confetti, headers, and your bow washi. So yeah, that is this week's new releases. Again, if you are interested in that discount, I keep the Facebook group link down below, or you can sign up for the newsletter. Although if you sign up after it goes out, then I don't believe it will go out to you after the fact. But if you're already signed up, then that should go into your inbox. Or if you just want to sign up for the next time that we have a coupon like that, all of that information is linked in the description box down below. I hope you guys love this week's new releases. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you plan on picking up in the comments, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.